magandang buhay, fresh graduate, or any person applying for a job and has already escalated from applying to being shortlisted for an interview. Now, not unless po ikaw ay mag-a-apply sa modeling na employment na kailangan mong out of the normal ang application mo, ito po ay dapat naka-corporate attire ka or business attire. Ano ang business attire? So, pag business attire, hindi ka naka-rubber shoes kaya hindi ka man nag-a-apply for a bodybuilder coach sa isang wellness facility. So, therefore, nakabalat ang sapatos, lalaki o babae. Ang babae, either naka-skirt or slacks na ang tone po ay itim. Itim na slacks, gray na slacks, or navy blue, or chocolate brown, or flesh na color sa pangbaba na siya ay pang corporate attire. Paakyat po tayo sa blouse. Ideally, sana may blazer. Okay? Lalo na ang babae. Pero kung napaka-expensive naman, ay wag na lang kundi at least blouse. Wag kang magsuot ng mga may print or floral kasi hindi naman yan Hawaiian dance na applyan mo. So, dapat plain din ang pangtaas mo. So, ibabagay din either light blue, purple, or off-white. Huwag naman puti kasi para naman kang waitress niyan. So, ensure na nag-blend. Meron ka namang mag-google kung paano how to dress up for an interview na medyo kagalang-galang kahit administrative staff lang, wag naman overdress na para kang executive. So, ibagay po sa position, wag kang magsusuot din ng dress na pangsimba na may mga floral at flaring. So, invest in at least 2. Okay? 2 attire na magagamit mo during job interviews. Or ulitin ko, huwag kang mag-rubber shoes, huwag kang mag-chinelas, huwag kang mag-jogging pants or maong during an interview. Not unless iyon ay pan-modeling or pang blue-collar job. Pwede. Okay? Ensure that you are able to know the address. A day or a week before the interview, puntahan mo ang place na yon para hindi ka pa maghahanap during the day of the interview. During the day of the interview, ensure that you are there at least 1 hour. Nakaupo ka na doon, nag-aantay. Kasi hoda alas 6 pa lang yan, or alas 7, kung alas 8 or alas 9 man, nandoon ka na 7 o'clock in the morning. Kung 1 o'clock naman ng afternoon, dapat nandoon ka na 11 o'clock. Take your lunch time kasi baka may nauna sa'yo na i-interviewin. So, bring with you all the portfolio or documents that you would need for the job interview. I-xerox copy mo pa ng maaga, wala ka pa, a week before or a day before, dapat nakakompile na yon. Bili ka ng folder, nandoon ang sliding, puro photocopy, ang cover letter mo, ang resume, transcript of record, mga diploma or any certificate of good moral character. Ngayon, on top of that, kung ikaw ay nakapasa na, huwag ka munang magpapamedical, you will be required to submit a police clearance and BI clearance and health clearances para sa onboarding mo na. So, good luck and congratulations. You have gone this far. Sana nag-enjoy ka and go to my playlist. Marami po akong tips doon on how to succeed in employment and in life. Next po, ang upload ko ay on how to succeed in life when you are already at work. Do subscribe, comment, and thumbs up.